AI bots will generate $1,300 to $1,500 from YouTube using a weird trick that I'm about to share with you. And it's completely beginner friendly, age friendly, experience friendly, and location friendly. And it can be done from anywhere on the planet. All the three bots, AI bots I'm about to share with you, are free to start. Links will be in the description, but don't go there yet. Watch this full video because I'm going to lay out this weird trick in step-by-step manner so any beginner can start getting results from today. Even if you are a business owner or agency owner and you want to start a new wing that will make free money literally using 3 to 5 minutes of your time or your team members' time, this video is for you as well. So let us begin. You are looking at $46,274 in passive affiliate commissions. I will show you how you can make this amount of money, and I will show you how you can control these 2 control points and earn money on demand, which means if you control these 2 control points, then you will be able to make this money daily or weekly or monthly or yearly as you wish. Depends on these 2 control points. So stay tuned till the end of the video as I will reveal these 2 control points and the simple system step by step. Before we go to the weird trick I'm about to share, let's go to our first AI app. Again, all the apps are in the description below. They are all free to start. Go to the first one, click blog post, and I will write 10 motivational quotes. Now I can go to simple mode or advanced mode. Both are easy, but I prefer advanced mode because it gives me opportunity to choose what type of content I want. So here basically I want emotional words. So let's click generate title, and the AI is working in the background. Now it gave me some title options, but the problem is my choice of title type was wrong. I should have chosen something else, maybe numbers, and try now. The AI starts working and it gave me some options. Okay, for this tutorial, let's keep it as is, and I will just choose the best way to start a new day to go back to the beginning. Looks good. Hey, did you notice I have revealed a great niche? Okay, let's get back to work. I'll come back to this later. First, let's generate a content. The next click generate outline. Now I'm choosing this because I want to see what they are giving, and I want to choose if I want to add something I can add here. If I don't want to add or delete something, I can remove any of these points. But in most cases, just use the simple formula and in one click the content will be ready. But in any case, this is also not a big work. Just click the finish button and 639 words, high quality, exactly like human written content is ready. If you spend time on this kind of content, it will take hours. If you spend money, it will take $50, $100 to even $150 to $200 depending on where you're outsourcing. Because of this AI bot, it's completely free. Now I can take this content, right? Just like take these 3, Control C, and go to the next AI bot called Epic. Epic is a video creation software. It is our own software. Why we built it? Because we know videos make us money. Here is video and here is money. You might be asking, what is the connection between videos and money? This is where we reveal our first control point, the hops or the clicks on our affiliate links. When we make videos, like helpful videos like this, and teach people what they are looking for or answer people about the questions they're asking on the internet, such as motivation. Let's go quickly on YouTube and see motivational quote and hashtag shorts. I would just want to check the short videos and look at these 3.4 million views, 78,000 views, 7.8 million views, 1.8 million views. All these videos can be made using photo and text. Now we have got the text from here, but we need to make videos. Why? Because when we give people what they're looking for, they like us, they follow us, and when we ask them to click the link in the description or wherever our affiliate link is, they click those links and they buy from those links, and that's how we make money. So the money comes from these clicks. This is the first control point. The more clicks you generate or your content generate, the more money you make. But you still need to take care of this second control point that I'm about to show you in a moment. So let's go to Epic. And why Epic? Because Epic makes videos without using camera and microphone. So with Epic, we don't have the hassle of shooting videos, editing editing, color correction, color grading, expensive video editors, we need nothing at all. Epic generates scripts using artificial intelligence from this section if we want, but we have another bot for content, so we use that one. By the way, all the bots I'm showing you here, links are in the description, they're all free to start. And Epic makes videos using image and text. You can add image from 5 different ways, and all the ways you can learn from this help section. In the help section, you can learn all the details of all the tricks and features of Epic. And on top of that, there is a document training that will give you quick reference to which feature you want to use and how. Another great feature of Epic is it can add audios to the videos by uploading, by recording directly through the microphone, or using text to voice feature. Just put your text here like this, and one click, your favorite quality and your favorite type of voiceover will be generated, natural sounding voiceover. We'll come to that in a moment, but let me show you how we generate videos from text. You see the right hand side are the short clips or slides like MS PowerPoint or Google presentation. Each of these slides are bite-sized videos. When we click this copy and paste text and put our text right here, then change the formatting as we want and make small paragraphs. Each paragraph becomes each slide automatically. Just click submit and they are added at the bottom. Now this is one paragraph. Once you have the goal in mind, stick to it. Don't let yourself get sidetracked. I'm going to copy this text, go to the audio section, put the text right here and click one submit, and the audio is immediately ready under text to audio section. And now just by clicking the add button, the audio is added in the slide and the slide size is now only 6 seconds. Let's try it, and once I play, I will ask the editor to download this audio and play with me. So editor, please download and play with me. This audio, play.
Once you have that goal in mind, stick to it. Don't let yourself get sidetracked by things outside of your control.
Sounds nice? Natural voiceover without using microphone. It's about setting goals, so I'm gonna go to the image section under Pixabay. I'll set a goal. This looks like a great motivational image. I'm going to make it large and put it at the bottom so that text is on the top. Change the text font, color, make it big. With a little trick, this is what it has become.
Once you have that goal in mind, stick to it. Don't let yourself get sidetracked by things outside of your control.
Looks good? It took me a few extra seconds of my time. All the tricks are here and here in the training section. Now when I made that video, I'm gonna click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background, and I will get an email notification when the video is ready. Then I will upload the video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and they will send me views. And because of our awesome content, people will love us, follow us, click on our links, and these clicks will generate affiliate commissions. Now it's time to reveal the second control point, which is called dollars per hop. Now in my other videos, I have shown bigger numbers than this. Sometimes it's smaller, sometimes it's bigger. Bigger this number is, the more money you make from the hops or clicks generated. And that is why increasing this number is so important. And that is why I call it a control point. In my other accounts, we even have $5 per hop. It all depends on the quality of the content and my gesture and attitude. It all depends on the contents we are producing, how helpful they are, and how much our audience love our content. We build rapport with the audience with our content. They love us, follow us, they click on our links, and they buy from us. So, as you have AI bots to work for you, give some more time to generate helpful, informative, educational, and if possible, a little bit of entertaining content. So people actually get helped, informed, educated, and they love you, follow you for your content. They will click more and they will buy more from you. And this way, you will make more money. So if you can generate this amount of hops in one day, you will make this money in one day. Even if your hops are less, but your dollars per hop is more, then also you will make more money. So any amount of money can be earned by any beginner with the quality of content and the quantity of content. Use the AI bots, links are in the description. Make awesome contents, publish them everywhere. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Get viewers, followers, clicks, and money. And don't forget about Pinterest. If you have a website, then you can go to Pinterest, create pin, upload a relevant image here, talk about the topic, talk about the pin, and put your website link right here. Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors and they are trained to click on the images or the pins. And they know that every pin contains links to websites. So when they like the pin, they will click on the pin, they will visit your website. 1/4 of this 1 billion visitors come from Google as well. So sharing your content on Pinterest also means you're exposing your content in front of Google audience, getting Google traffic for free without SEO or search engine optimization. Now, you might be saying you don't have a website and you don't want to run a website, which is awesome, totally understandable. Running a website is not easy, and that's why we built Maven. Maven makes website from other people's content. So let's say if you want to take this content legally from another website, you just copy this URL, put it into Maven. Maven will fetch all the content, rewrite it using AI, and publish your website under our server, our domain. You don't have to worry about any of those. Then take that URL and put it on Pinterest with a pin, and you will get traffic. Maven is an AI software. It's free to start. Link is in the description as well. So you have 3 AI apps that can make you $1,300 to $1,500 a day by generating a relevant amount of hops. And if you create better content, your dollar per hop will increase and you will be able to make easy money. I hope this all makes sense, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, so everybody else learns about this awesome and easy technique and learns about these AI bots as well. They will love you and follow you for sharing this helpful information, and they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and you can do it too. So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we want to see you in the next one.